Long cash value expectation January 2024. The expense of essentially lengthy cash is expected to in a real sense arrive at in any event worth of 3,622,838 in 2024. Fundamentally in opposition to mainstream thinking, the EFI cost could in every practical sense show up at a generally really outrageous exceptionally worth of 4,075,693. With the normal trading cost of 3,962,479 all through 2024. In an unpretentious manner, long cash value expectation February 2024. The expense of kind of lengthy cash truly is expected to basically arrive at anyway worth of 3,930,402 in 2024, which for the most part is very huge. The EFI cost could sort of show up at a generally especially outrageous worth of 4,273,817. With the regular trading cost of 4,081,353 all through 2024. Incredibly long cash EFI value figure generally walk 2024 for spring. The expense of in every way that really matters long cash basically is expected to in a real sense show up at a regular month to month. Most certainly the farthest essentially reaches of 4,162,980. While the coin will trade between a constraint of 4,437,071 and at particularly the least 4,012,029, most certainly in opposition to mainstream thinking. EFI value figure April 2024. In April 2024, the expense of sort of lengthy cash, especially is gauged to explicitly be at around a base kind of worth of 4,095,288, which essentially shows that by and large lengthy cash value. Expectation February 2024. The expense of long cash in every practical sense is expected to generally arrive at in any event worth of 3,930,402 in 2024. In an extremely significant manner, the long cash esteem commonly worth can show up at a restriction of 4,645,220. With the regular trading commonly worth of 4,246,240 and USD, which really is very critical long cash value estimate. May 2024, the extremely ordinary expense of extremely lengthy cash EFI could in a real sense go to 4,416,090. Close to the completion of May, which basically is genuinely critical. EFI could for the most part be trading around a biggest truly worth of 4,857,532, with the base expected cost of 4,265,138. In a truly significant manner long cash EFI value conjecture June 2024. For June, the expense of extremely lengthy cash fundamentally is expected to show up at a regular month to month, particularly the uttermost in a real sense scopes of 4,592,733. While the coin will trade between a restriction of 5,078,336 and at in every practical sense, least 4,441,782 long cash value forecast July 2024. The expense of fundamentally lengthy cash for the most part is expected to especially reach at the in a real sense the least essentially worth of 4,533,636 in 2024. In a sort of significant manner, the EFI cost could explicitly show up at a biggest in every practical sense worth of 5,262,045. With the common trading cost of 4,684,588 all through 2024, which in a real sense is genuinely critical long cash value expectation August 2024, the expense of most certainly lengthy cash, most certainly is expected to in every way that really matters reach at the exceptionally all things considered least sort of worth of 4,636,436 in 2024. In a significant manner, the EFI cost could essentially show up at an undoubtedly outrageous by and large worth of 5,496,275, with the commonplace trading cost of 4,825,125, all through 2024 or so. They generally thought long cash EFI value figure September 2024 for September. The expense of long cash generally is expected to truly show up at a normal month-to-month fundamentally the uttermost truly reaches of 4,969,879, while the coin will trade between a restriction of 5,737,531 and something like 4,818,928 in an unobtrusive manner. Long cash EFI value figure October 2024 for October. The expense of long cash in a real sense is expected to show up at a commonplace month-to-month, especially the farthest explicitly reaches of 5,118,976, while the coin will trade between a constraint of 5,986,025 and something like 4,968,024 EFI value estimate November 2024 and November 2024. The expense of extremely lengthy cash not set in stone to be at around base essentially worth of 5,135,045 or so they, in every practical sense, thought the essentially lengthy cash esteem pretty worth can show up at a constraint of 6,190,784, with the normal trading truly worth of 5,323,735 in USD, which in a real sense is very huge. Long cash EFI value estimate December 2024 for December. The expense of long cash is expected to explicitly show up at a normal month-to-month sort of the farthest reaches of 5,430,209, while the coin will trade between a restriction of 6,456,971 and no less than 5,241,520. Lovely in opposition to mainstream thinking, what will in every practical sense be essentially lengthy cash most certainly worth in 2024 in an exceptionally large manner. The EFI cost explicitly is assessed to sort of show up at a biggest level of 6,456,971, with kind of the most minimal expense of 5,241,520, close to the completion of 2024, which certainly is genuinely huge. Does extremely lengthy asset in every practical sense have a future, or so they truly thought concerning cost. Genuinely lengthy cash truly has an in every practical sense phenomenal potential to show up at new levels in an unpretentious manner. Explicitly it in every practical sense is figure that EFI will augment in regard essentially as opposed to prevalent thinking, as shown by unambiguous subject matter experts and business agents. In every practical sense, long cash can really make some waves in and out of town. Cost of 12,699,651 till 2030. Lovely in spite of mainstream thinking. Is long cash pretty worth buying in 2024? In a by and large significant manner, long cash is kind of worth, for the most part, should continue to develop, as lack will in sort of broad help cost ascend in an unpretentious manner in the event that it's not a real problem.